So guys, good afternoon. This is the interface of the platform I shared with you yesterday. So guys, I want to quickly show you how you can connect your WhatsApp account with this platform. So if you are able to see this particular interface, that means you are on the right dashboard that you're supposed to be. So now just click on this icon, this big icon at the middle. Click on it right here. So once you click on it, tap here. Do you understand? So guys, so just tap on it. So here, what we do from here is to enter your WhatsApp mobile number. Tap your WhatsApp number. Let me go and copy my WhatsApp number. So I said I'll be using my other number. So make sure that you are also using your other number as well. So guys, I have copied that my phone number. So that is my second WhatsApp number. So just make sure that you copy the second WhatsApp number. So once you copy the second WhatsApp number, then you click on the get key. So click on this get key. This key, so it is the code that this key is going to give you that we are going to use to connect with our WhatsApp. So just click on the get key. Please wait a few moments. So boom, this is the key. So what you need to do is to copy this key. Copy this key. This is the code. This is the key that we are going to use to connect our WhatsApp account with this platform. So just copy this key. Just click on this copy. Just click on this copy. Click on this copy to copy the key. Copy the key. So the key has been copied, as you can see on my screen. So what you need to do now is to go back to your WhatsApp account. So go back to your WhatsApp account. So this is how you can get it. So just click on this line above here. Click on this line. So click on it. Click on that line, that three dotted vertical icon. So then you click on the linked device. This is where we are going to link our device, our WhatsApp device with that platform. So click on link device. Then click on link a device again. Click on use mobile data. So there is something below here that says link with phone number. When you look down, you see it, link with phone number. So click on that link with phone number. So from here, they will ask you to paste the code. So just go ahead and copy and type just make sure that you write the number down if the number is different from the way my own is written. So this one, the way it shows on my own screen here, is very simple for me to remember. So what I will do is I will just type 77777. So boom. So it's logging in. So as you can see from here, it says successful account. This is my account logged in to success. So click on confirm, continue. So it has connected successfully. So once it's connected, this is how it's going to show you. This is how it is going to show you. This is how it is going to show. Once you connect, this is what it's going to show. So now you will be able to see your returns from here. Then how many people how many accounts. You can add as many accounts. You can add different WhatsApp account to it if you have. So we have just added just only WhatsApp account, and you are online, and it's only one of your WhatsApp that is available. That is only the WhatsApp account that you connected that is also available online. Do you understand? So go back. So that is that about the stuff. So now to perform daily tasks, just go back to here. Click here to see if there's any daily task. Click here to see if there's any daily task. So to complete a daily task, you have to click on this start. Click on this start. Make sure that you always check in every morning, early in the morning, so that I'll be able to qualify. Like this, and I don't think I can qualify. If I will be able to qualify, they will show the thing here. It will show in that color. So just click on start. So that means I'm not qualified. So if I'm qualified, it will show. So I will be able to click on it. It's only early in the morning that you can be able to get the task. But even if you don't use the task, you still get paid. You still get paid for people for being online, and also for payment. I also join you through your referral link. I will show you how to invite people in the next video. Thank you. So guys, you needed a separate WhatsApp account for this platform. So the reason why I said you need a second WhatsApp number is your account may be banned. So, and if your account is banned, you may not be able to use your WhatsApp account for your normal, or let me say your daily activities with your WhatsApp account. So instead of that, get a separate WhatsApp account that you know that account is not that important to you, that you can use. So there is a case, or there will be a time that WhatsApp will ban your account, and there are some reasons why WhatsApp will ban your account. WhatsApp may ban your account when they discover that there are some illegal activities that is going on your account. And what are the illegal activities? WhatsApp do not support unverified application that is being connected to their WhatsApp account. So once they detect that, they will ban they will restrict your account. And they will also restrict your account when they discover that there are a frequent messages that are not even relevant to your business pattern. So once they discover that, they will restrict your account. So what they will say is that you are going against their community standard. So instead of that, to avoid issues like this, just make sure that you use your second WhatsApp number. So I will advise that you have 2 or 3 WhatsApp accounts. So if one is banned, you can continue with your other WhatsApp account, and your WhatsApp account can be unbanned. If they ban your account, it can be unbanned. Just make sure that you follow the due process. I have a video that explains on how to unban your WhatsApp account. So I might likely share the video with you, or if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll be able to find the video on how to unban WhatsApp account. You can even make use of this to start making money online. There are lots of people out there that they are looking for ways to make money online. So you can even use this WhatsApp unban, how to unban WhatsApp to start making money online by posting that you can help people to unban their WhatsApp account if they have a WhatsApp account that is banned. So you can use that YouTube video tutorial to learn how to help people to unban their WhatsApp account. Then from there you can start making money between 5k, 10k and above. So thank you guys. So please make sure that if you find this video from my YouTube channel, make sure that you like and also share with your people. Thank you.